All India Radio Shillong ka arpo Tarik nailor kala pentep makan Pynlong ya ka lumpung tem bat Rwai ha susotham auditorium Shillong ha ka janmiet jong ka arpo Tarik unailor na lor ka Nongbah Shillong ya ka ni lumpung pala Pynlong na ka Akashwani Sangit Samelan na Pynlong ru ha giwe pat ki Nongbah papakmat jong kari India ha ka hi ka jok sngi ha ka ni ka Nongbah ni shimbenta de ki kanon tem papakmat kum ka solmiet ba lumajau pat ki parlok jong u pat kumjo nong tem violent ba pakmat ka Kolkata bade na ka Nongbah Shillong pursanto c.cm kani ka lumpung tem bat Rwai kan deiru kasien baningkong ban kenthop yakiru kam tem jong ki nong sep ngi na ka lumpung tem ba Pynlong da ka Akashwani Sangit Samelan uba f dekhar lai tho panakaliang ka All India Radio kan pet sngo shabaro ki benta kari halor ka te ka lumpung tem bat Rwai
to the concert that we're going to organize on the 24th Saturday, this 24th of September 2016 at Ususotham Auditorium. And this concert is known as the Akashwani Sangit Samelan. Akashwani Sangit Samelan, which has been organized by All India Radio for so many years, all over the country. And even at Shillong, we had organized this once, but artists from outside Shillong, and it was only on Hindustani and Carnatic music all these years. So this is the first time that in the Akashwani Sangit Samelan of All India Radio, that Western music was included. And we are proud also to say that they've selected All India Radio Shillong. They've selected Shillong as their venue for this Western music concert, besides the other 23 cities all over the country. So, in this Akashwani Sangit Samelan 2016, which is the Western music concert to be held on Saturday 24th September 2016 at 6 p.m. This time we will feature the two famous bands of Shillong, Lumajau and his friends, and also the other top band, Soulmate, which most of you have heard of them. And interestingly, we have one artist with us here from Kolkata. But more interestingly, he is from Calcutta, but his mother is a Khasi, Judge. We would like to invite everyone, especially the music lovers, to be with us in this coming Saturday at 6 p.m. And we will have this concert only for 1.5 hours. Only for 1.5 hours only. And everyone is welcome to this concert because we're not going to sell any tickets. So we welcome everyone.